All right, here's a review on inequalities and systems of inequalities. So quick reminder, we have the different inequality symbols. So remember, if it's greater than or greater than or equal to, you're going to shade above. If it's less than or equal to, we shade below. Other reminders, you have a dotted line or dashed line. If it's greater than or less than, because there's no equal sign. Solid line, if it has the equal sign. And then when you're solving for y, if there's a negative, remember you flip the symbol. So we're going to review that when we do this. So this one's asking us which of the inequalities represents the graph below. So as a test-taking strategy, look what type of line it is. And it's a solid line, so there should be two answers that you can eliminate. You should be able to eliminate anything that does not have an equal sign. So it can be B and it can be D because it has greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. So on both B and D, since they're in standard form, we have to change them to slope-intercept form to C. So I'm going to rewrite B over here. Remember, you need to cancel the x by adding 2x to both sides. Divide both sides by -3. And since I'm dividing by -3, I need to flip my symbol. And since it's -3 is my y-intercept, -2/3 is my slope, and it's less than, it's shaded below, the answer would be B. All right. On this one, if we worked out the same way, when you flipped it, it would have been greater than, so it wouldn't be D. So I think some of you might have picked D if you forgot to flip the symbol. On number 2, it's asking you which of these points would be a solution. Remember, solutions are in the shaded area or on the solid line. Since it's a dashed line, it can't be on the line. So if I plot all four of them, So it's asking you which one is not included in the set. So the only one that's not included would be the one on the line. So that would be answer choice A. So number 3 is very similar to number 2, except for it's a system. So it can be on this line or in the shaded part, but not on that dotted line. So you should be able to do that one. I'm going to go and push pause. I want you to do the same thing, and then I'm going to move on to number 4. Okay, on number 4, the first one is not in y equals, but the second one is, so I need to solve for y. Subtract 2x on both sides, -1y. Since I'm divided by -1, my symbol is going to flip, so that would be -2 plus 2x. So just by looking at your answer choices, you can try to eliminate. But y is less than -1/2 x plus 3. So if I was to graph that one, it would be a solid line. And then be a +3 y-intercept. So it can't be that one because that's a dashed line. It could be that one. It could be that one. It can't be D because that's a dashed line. So then now I look at the other one. The y-intercept is at -2. Y-intercept is at -2, so they both could be possible. Now we have to think about the shading. So on this, the solid line, it should be less than, so you should be shaded over on this region, so it can't be B, so the answer has to be C. Number 5, use your answer choices to think about what kind of symbol. You should be able to eliminate 2 answers because of the symbol. And then think about your shading. Do you shade above or below? And you should be able to eliminate the answers from there. So that was a good quick review on inequalities.